Ever wondered what a day in the life of a Power BI developer looks like? We start with the morning stand-up. This is no ordinary meeting, it's the heartbeat of the day, setting the rhythm and pace for what's to come. It's where the collective brainpower of the team converges to align on the day's agenda. In this meeting, the Power BI developer plays a crucial role. They share updates on ongoing projects, painting a picture of progress and potential challenges. They discuss any roadblocks they have encountered, turning obstacles into opportunities for team problem solving. And they set their priorities for the day, ensuring that their focus is where it needs to be for maximum productivity. The morning stand-up is a platform for transparency and collaboration, serving as a launchpad for the day's tasks. It's a vital part of any Power BI developer's day. With the stand-up meeting done, our Power BI developer is ready to dive into the day's tasks. Navigating the vast landscape of data is the next task of the day. As a Power BI developer, one of the crucial tasks of the day involves extracting, transforming, and loading data, commonly known as the ETL process. This process begins by extracting data from various sources. It could be databases, cloud-based storage, or even spreadsheets. Once we have the data, it's time for transformation. This is where the raw, unprocessed data is cleaned up and converted into a format that can be analyzed. We deal with missing values, remove duplicates, and ensure that the data is consistent and reliable. The final step is loading the data into a data warehouse. Now, the transformed data is ready to be analyzed and used to create reports. With the help of Power BI tools, we create data models and visualizations. This is where the magic happens. Turning raw data into insightful, visually appealing reports is what makes this job truly fascinating. Now that our data has been successfully transformed, it's time for the next phase, the team meeting. Team meetings are a key part of a Power BI developer's day. It's during these gatherings where the magic truly happens. Picture this. Our developer is seated with the team, all eyes on the data visualizations crafted with precision and care. The developer presents the work, explaining the thought process behind each graph, each chart, each table. The room hums with the energy of collaboration, ideas bouncing off the walls like an intellectual ping-pong match. Feedback is gathered, suggestions made, and questions answered. There's a sense of camaraderie, of shared goals and visions. The meeting isn't just about reviewing the work, it's about ensuring that the data visualizations meet the needs of the end users. Is it easy to understand? Does it tell the right story? Does it answer the right questions? Such meetings are crucial in shaping the final product. With the team's input, our Power BI developer can now refine the data visualizations. As the day winds down, it's time for the final task, the evening code review. This is the moment when the Power BI developer dons the hat of a detective, meticulously examining each line of code for potential errors or inefficiencies. It's a vital step, not just for the sake of perfecting the code, but to ensure the accuracy and reliability of the data visualizations that will ultimately be presented to the stakeholders. Imagine, if you will, a symphony orchestra. Each line of code is like a musical note, contributing to the overall performance. If a single note is off, it can disrupt the harmony. Similarly, a single error in code can lead to inaccurate data representation, causing major decisions to be based on flawed insights. But it's not just about correcting errors, it's also about optimization. The evening code review is an opportunity to refine the code, to make it run more efficiently, thus enhancing the performance of the data visualizations. And with that, a day in the life of a Power BI developer comes to a close. A day filled with data, collaboration, and continuous improvement.